What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. We wicked down to our second buy zone. So currently we're sitting in profits. We're sitting at 266. We're down about 9% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 6.74 billion. 24-hour volume 911 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, Spotify, Netflix, Prime for free, as well as travel incentives depending on the level of card you have, and $25 in their native coin Crow, which has been exploding lately just for signing up through my referral. So you can see here we had a bit of a flash crash. We came up, we hit resistance on the 1.618 once again, and we crashed all the way down to 234. So we had a buy zone at 262, we had a buy zone at 234. So average price would be about 246. So currently you're in profits right now, about 6-7%. Now you may want to lock in some profits here. Of course, I'm not your financial advisor. Of course, we could make a bottoming structure and come up to 295, but if we zoom out a little bit here on the daily, we're still getting rejected by the 1.618. We have a bearish divergence on the daily, so we may come down to 234, even $2. I don't think $2 is likely, but a possibility. I think we would come down to $2 if Bitcoin were to break this bull flag and come all the way, sorry guys, bear flag, come all the way down to about 60K. See all the support in this area if that were to play out. But Bitcoin could also create a bottoming structure where it is currently, hold that 63K as support, and see its reversal back to the upside. So I don't see Fantom coming down to $2 unless Bitcoin were to fall out of this pattern and come all the way back down to 60K. But I do not like the fact that we're seeing that bearish divergence. That's a strong bearish signal on the 1-day time frame. We're currently underneath the 20 EMA. I do think we would have a higher likelihood of bouncing off 234, that previous swing high, but I'm not going to take $2 off the table just yet. Best case scenario for Fantom, if I hop over to the hourly time frame, is that we create a double bottom here or an ascending triangle. So we've come down, we've created a structural support, we come back down to about $2.46. There was support in this area. We create a double bottom and we break out to the upside, either that or we create an ascending triangle where the price rolls over a little bit, finds a level of support, and then you create an ascending triangle, as I was going over with Matic as well, and then you break out back to the upside. But if you come down and you lose this level of support, do target 234, and if 234 is lost, that's when we can come back down to $2. But do keep an eye on that bottom out structure. That could lead to a reversal here for Fantom. But a bearish divergence on the daily time frame is a strong signal of correction. It can be invalidated. They have been invalidated before, don't get me wrong, but it is one of the stronger signals that I look at for correction. So if we were to lose 234, do target $2. And we have our bull run targets here. The 2 extension at 597. Now, if Fantom makes it up to 597 quite quickly, we may see that overextension up to the 2.272, which is coming in at 993. The bulls have been extremely strong for Fantom, bringing us all the way up to the 1.618 extension over the last month or so, month and a half. So if we see Bitcoin start to take off and we see Fantom make it all the way up to 597 over the next month, month and a half, we may see some more explosive gains all the way up to the 2.272 at 936. But if we do go through that harsher correction all the way down to the 2, that will give you a beautiful opportunity to see some explosive gains. The 2 extension, that's about a 200% gain, and up to the 2.272, you're looking at about a 400% climb for FTM. We're still looking really, really strong here, guys, but usually when you do come up to the 1.618, you hit resistance like that, you're going to roll over and come back to the 1.414. But we do have that swing high at 234 for FTM. All right, I'm just getting extremely redundant here. So guys, we are sitting on our buy zone right now. So beautiful opportunity to dollar cost average into Fantom at 262. If it comes down to 234, you use equal equity, comes back down to 193, that $2 range. Use equal equity once again if you're spot trading, brings down your average price. You ride the slingshot back up. If you are using low leverage, more risk, of course, you have to double your margin with each buy limit to bring down your average price properly. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon. You can follow me on Instagram if you like, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.